What's the meaning of caparisoned? Caparisoned. Caparisoned.
Caparisoned. Caparisoned. Caparisoned refers to an animal, typically a horse, that is dressed in ornamental coverings, such as saddlecloths or trappings. The result of being caparisoned can be a display of elegance and grandeur, often seen in parades or ceremonial events. The coverings are meant to enhance the beauty and importance of the animal, and are usually made of high-quality materials, such as brocade or silk. Additionally, the style and color of the caparison can often signify the rank or status of the animal's rider or owner.